Hello everyone. In this exercise, we will understand how the icon color, of the of the commands and feature can be changed, and the icon size can be changed, and the background color of this can be changed, and the color of the part surface can be changed. In this, we will understand this thing. How to change the icon color, icon size, and the background color, background of this, and the part surface color. We will see this thing in the Solidworks user interface. So for this, I go in the setting, options, and we go in the colors. This is the colors. If you want to change the color of the icons, suppose this is classic, I take it default. Okay. Color change, bluish. Color becomes bluish. Suppose option and go again in color and change in the classic. Color becomes yellowish. In this way, we can change the icon color. Second, right click on the command. This is the command manager. This is the command manager. This is the menu bar. This is the tabs. These are the tabs. This is the feature tree manager. This is the view head-up tool. This is the task pane. Suppose I want to change the size of the icons. These are icons. So I right click on the command manager and customize it. And this you are seeing this icon size here. Icon size, small size. This is the medium size. This is the. Suppose I take this size. Okay and okay. This becomes too much large. So again I right click on this thing. Command customize. Suppose I take medium size. Okay. Okay. So this is become medium size. Suppose I right click, customize, I take small size. Okay. Okay. So user can use as per his visibility requirements. Icon size can be changed. Again, right click. Suppose I want to change the color of background of this. Option, this one, colors. This is the background color. Background color I take the suppose dark. This one. This color becomes blackish. So this color is very useful in the night working. So in this way you can change the color. But I am changing this go in option and colors, and I take it light. Okay. Suppose when I click on a part, that's you see the bluish color comes. Suppose I want to change this color. How will you change that? Go in the option, colors, and here is a default color. Suppose I take it green highlight. Suppose this becomes green. Suppose I select this surface, becomes green. Select this surface, becomes green. In this way, we can change the color. Suppose option, colors, and this is the current color scheme. Suppose I take it orange highlight. This one. This will come on the surface. Suppose I select this surface, that becomes orange. This color, orange. In this way, we can change the surface of the part. Again, the option, color, orange highlight, I use default. This becomes blue. In this way, you can change the surface color. So I hope you would have enjoyed this exercise in customizing the user interface as far as icon size is concerned, background color is concerned, surface of the part is color, and the icon size is concerned. So thank you for watching my video. You please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.